So this is my mantra, to live life that it isn't over until I win and everybody around me wins. I can only win if you all win, all the members win. That's why I say that wealth creation for all the members. So when the IPO comes, the members will get discounted shares of Tajurba, become the owner of Tajurba, and then these kind of businesses get over 100x valuations in the stock market. So huge value creation there. People who understand that they will be hugely benefited. जो रह जाएंगे वो पछताएंगे. All right, so I celebrated 42nd anniversary of my 20th birthday this year. I'm 62-year-old. How many of you can feel the energy of 20-year-old? Type energy in the comment box. All the guests. All right. So I was born, a little bit about myself, born in a refugee camp in Ulhasnagar. We had our own company IPO. Our staff, drivers made lakhs and crores of rupees through our IPO. That's why we want to live that dream again and give that benefit to all the members also. Followed by a presidential award. Here you see Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma and Commerce Minister Chidambaram that time. I've been 2-time TEDx speaker. I've written a couple of books. I'm a president of a trust in Rajouri Garden. They have a hospital, MKW Hospital. And I wear awesomeness glasses. Means, when you're wearing awesomeness glasses, the world around you become awesome. These are very tough time. I lost my brother yesterday, elder brother, due to COVID. The world is facing this huge problem of COVID. But if you wear awesomeness glasses, your reality change. How you react to the situation depends on you. You attract awesome relationships in life, awesome businesses, opportunities. And today I have attracted awesome people like this awesome guy. Okay. So this is our vision, to create community of 10 million game changers, largest ecosystem for entrepreneurs, learning, funding, incubating, 100x growth and wealth creation for every member. So what is business networking? Now I would like every one of you to participate. And what are your challenges there? You don't build business, you build people, and then people build the business. I do my 100% of time is in networking. I just love to meet people, help people as much as I can. And over the last 7 years I have learned networking. Before that I didn't know N of networking. And over 14 to 18,000 people in my network, active network, beside my Facebook, LinkedIn, and other places. And I don't have to chase business. It comes to me every day. I get calls and messages. People love to do business with me. So why networking is important for entrepreneurs? You are part of any network, type in the comment box if you are part of any network. And what are your challenges in networking? Type in the comment box. Go a little faster, we're running out of time. I'll keep answering and addressing, but write your challenges in the network. And what are the benefits according to you? Just keep typing in the comment box, all the visitors. So networking benefits these are opportunities leads to new future business. You've seen Arun Jain. He asked for a Kotak Bank and he's got one region only. Now he's going to get the entire India and it's going to be crores of business. This is what can happen, one Dream Connect, And exposure and rapport, you meet so many new people, you learn so many new businesses. Otherwise, entrepreneurship is a very lonely journey. You don't even come to know these kind of businesses exist. And contacts and relationships, maintain a strong contact with like-minded people and unlike-minded people. Both are, become part of your network. Sunil Kher, building really big business is a challenge. To create 1,000 entrepreneurs for my business. Very nice. Thank you very much. So you learn from like Arun Mishra. When he joined the first day, one chartered accountant gave him one advice about incentives he was not claiming from the government. He started saving 5 lakh rupees a year from day one. Besides, is over 55-60% business coming from Tajurba, and he's working on Tajurba app. So Tajurba is, it's a networking is about farming. It's not hunting. It pains me a lot when people join networking and they think that, the next day onward they start getting business. No, you have to build your credibility. The formula is capability, credibility plus network is equal to wealth. Write down everyone. C plus N is equal to W. That's the formula. So first you have to prove your credibility. The referrals I am giving to the people today, first I would like to know what they do, what is their credibility, like to have a talk with them, then I'll refer them. So always your capability, whatever you are told to do, are you capable of delivering? And then if you have a large network, you don't have to change business ever in your life. So entrepreneurship is a very, very lonely journey. The another advantage is you have the group of hundreds of people, thousands of people to talk to. Otherwise, in your office, you are total lonely. You can't talk to your staff, you can't talk to your subordinates. You can only talk to the like-minded or unlike-minded, but the entrepreneurs community. So, it's people go to networking functions and distribute cards like ATM, card le lo. Networking is about building relationship. It's patience. It takes time. जैसे business को कहते हैं कि outlier book बोलती है कि it takes 3 years. 3 years to build a business minimum to become an expert. 10,000 hours actually. It takes good amount of time to your savings to grow into crores. Relationship, you don't get married for 1 year, 1 साल चलेगी तो देखेंगे नहीं तो divorce कर लेंगे. So same way, networking takes little time. You need little patience there. And if your network is mile wide and inch deep, it will never be successful. I ask people whether quality or quantity important. Everyone, what is the quality or quantity important in networking? Both. Like your left hand and right hand, you need both. So both are important. You need a large network and you need good quality network. So pay attention to that in your network, what you're doing. And one new connection can change your life. I was sitting at a friend's house, is a dinner, and his nephew walks in. His name is Manpreet, VFS Visa Agency. I asked him, how come your boss got this idea of outsourcing visa processes for embassies? And he said he was playing golf with US ambassador. He said we are having so much trouble maintaining paperwork and the security and so many people lined up from 5 a.m. He says, okay, let me try that. And that 10,000 crore business got built from there. One connection. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, one connection. This gentleman visited as a guest, like you all are guests today. This visitor, his name is Martin Barnes. He's a billionaire in Australia. Actually, one of his manager visited, then we had a dinner with him. We went to Dubai. He's a real estate developer in Australia and a private equity fund, founder. And we have done so much business together. We did road shows in Dubai and it became a good friend. So one new connection, people who are missing, they miss the meeting. You don't know that, one day one visitor who's coming here can be your dream connect. So never ever miss any meeting. Last 7 years, I have never missed any meeting and never late for any meeting. So that's the power that when you do it consistently. This gentleman, PSP Legal, is a now friend of mine, Piyush Singh. He met us at one of the networking functions and after that he became a friend and we referred him lot of people, buyers association. He took, of course, he's intelligent. He took position in, in the home buyers and there are lakhs of home buyers. So today his company, he's got over 30,000 cases. 30,000 cases, he's got a team of around 25 lawyers. His office looks like a IT office. One meeting can change your life. And don't be a business card vending machine at the, these are beautiful words. We have forgotten to speak these words. How can I help you? Always go out and help as many people. Make a difference in people's life. Make a good first impression. Dress or address and smile. Remember these 3 things. And a nice visiting card. Your body language, winner's body language, makes you what you are. And spend on business card. Hire a good. We have a graphic designer at Tajurba, Deepika. So my card costs around 17 rupees. And if you don't get compliment on your card, change your graphic designer. So it's a professional design. It's your branding tool. It should be readable. Choose the layout wisely, avoid grayish color, and if you can give QR code, wonderful. So, and double proofly, no spelling errors there. 7 tips to stand out at the event: smile, body language, dress to stand out, positivity, enthusiasm, and much more. Do your homework. Who you are meeting, कौन लोग आ रहे हैं मीटिंग में, and arrive as a host. हम लोग शादी पे जाते, कार्ड पे लिखा होता 8 बजे, हम 8 बजे जाते हैं तो अभी होस्ट ही नहीं आया है, तो लोग मुझे लड़के का या लड़की का बाप समझ के टिप मांगने लगते हैं, वेटर्स एंड ऑल. बट वी अराइव अर्ली बिकॉज यू रिसीव एवरीवन लाइक ए होस्ट. यू कैन सी पीपल, मीट पीपल एज दे आर वॉकिंग इन. All right, so tips for successful networking mixer. Don't forget to follow 24/7/30. That means in 24 hours when you get a card, send a nice message. Pleasure meeting you. Very interesting what you do. And in 7 days, fix up a coffee meeting. 30 days, if you meet and help that gentleman, your contact is there for lifelong. All right, so build your social capital is like money in the bank. Zig Ziglar said you will get all you want in life if you help enough people help. So this is the gentleman. This is one testimonial on my LinkedIn. Jagdish Kushlappa. I never met this guy. He asked for advice on LinkedIn. I told him call me on Sunday. It's my free day, so I give free advices on Sunday. Rest of the day I definitely charge. So he says Suresh is a wonderful human being who is always ready to help and mentor a startup and want to see them successful. He sees his success in other successes. See, this is the funda of networking. Other successes brings you 10x joy. And he has excellent network all over the world, especially in the UAE, and connected me to the right people when I requested him. I recommend anyone who is looking for a guru or a mentor to approach him. So this is how you go out, and my network helps my network. You know, once you become very heavily networked, then people ask you for connections. This is the Padma Bhushan, Dr. Balram Bhaga, friend of mine. People ask me to need any connect in AIIMS, and he's a good friend of ours, and a lot of people got benefited because of him. So how you do anything is how you do everything. That's very, very important learning from the networking, that people are watching you. If you are entering late today, I am noticing everyone coming late. And it gives me subconscious that these people are irresponsible. I lost my brother yesterday. I slept at 2 a.m. last night and I got up at 6 a.m. and I was there before anyone else. So how can you be late at the networking meeting? I can't digest that. So people, please, I humbly request, be before time, first one to arrive and last one to leave if you want to get benefit from networking. Otherwise, you are hurting your own credibility, nobody else's. आप अपना नुकसान इतना भारी irreparable कर रहे हैं कि आपका कभी रिपेयर नहीं हो पाएगा उन्होंने. So face-to-face meetings are on pause, but relationship building is not on pause. How to network during the COVID-19, fix your Zoom meeting, do your coffee meeting. We are doing our socials, coaching. My coaching business is gone through the roof all over the world. People are taking my coaching now. Distance is not there. That's not the roadblock. We can meet anyone around the world. So networking is more important than ever. You need more support. You need more people in your network. You need more entrepreneurs helping each other. It has moved online, saved a lot of time. So what can you do to build your network? Check out your online identity. I'm a great, advocate of building your personal brand on LinkedIn. I've got 122 testimonials, the credibility already there. Nobody asks about the prices. They all come to me. Speaking yesterday, I got a call that HPCL doing a program and they want to pay me 50,000 rupees for half an hour speech. I said, okay, let me see if I have the date. It's all coming from LinkedIn. So work on your personal brand and empathize with people. Realize that you have something to offer and help as many people. Meet unlike-minded people also from the entrepreneurs community. But the currency of networking, ladies and gentlemen, is generosity. It's generosity. Don't keep score कि मैंने इसको दिया इससे क्यों नहीं मिला, because it all comes back manifold. It's not my law, it's nature's law. What goes around comes around. Set up virtual coffee meeting, meet as many people. I would skip this testimonial. There has been enough testimonials. By the way, this is Ravinder Sharma from Tajurba Phoenix chapter. His business, he's a wedding photographer, very high end, and his business went down because of COVID. Wedding started. So using his network, he diversified into corporate films, documentaries for government, education, and his business is now double. Weddings have started, his business is double, 2 more verticals started because of network. So my question to all the visitors today, what is how much business you get from your network? If you get referral, like today is a very first meeting and you have seen that there are referrals being exchanged. Arun Mishra, Arun Jain, these people are talking about lakhs and crores. So if your entire network start to give you business like this, 1000 लोग हम सबके नेटवर्क में, I want everyone to participate. आपको कितना बिजनेस मिल सकता है? Throw some figures. lakhs and crores. If your entire 1,000 people start to buy from you whatever services they need, if you can provide that, and then each one refer you in their network. Like I referred Arun Jain to Kotak Bank. Mukesh Pandey 1,000 crore. Arun Mishra 500 crore. Anyone else? I want some visitors to participate. Neha Thukral can't calculate. Yes, you are so right, Neha. You can't calculate. You know, chappal phat jata hai jab network start to give you, if you are a good networker. If you are a good networker. No limits, Tushar. Absolutely. But it did not happen because we are not trained. This networking is not taught in any college, university, anywhere. I learned networking 7 years ago, 2012. Before that, networking for me was a waste of time. It was a waste of time. But now I love to meet people. I love to invite people over lunch. Every day some people are at our office for lunch. We live upstairs, homemade lunch. So, are you happy with your sales growth? Visitors, are you happy the way your sales is growing? My question to you. Type yes or no. Because probably the answer is no. That's why you are here early morning. To meet people, network and find some connect for you. And also to help other people if you understand networking. So here is the entire sales team. Like when I referred Arun Jain to Kotak Bank, or I'm going to refer a couple of people, Mahindra and other people to these people. I am working for you as your complimentary salesman, and you cannot afford my salary, or any person sitting here, you can't afford their salary. But they all look for opportunity for you. Once the bonding is happened, once the credibility is happened, once they know that you are capable, then only they will start to refer you. But they will work for you as your free sales team, and you can't afford their salaries. It's free. So keep that in mind. And when you are referred, when I referred Arun Jain to Kotak, it got converted. It's not easy task to get the entire bank for a stationery supplier. You get a branch or something. You don't get entire bank. So the Nielsen report says the conversion chances are 92% because we don't give leads here. We refer. We take permission from other person that I am going to refer Arun Jain, Arun Mishra or Mahindra to you. Please accept, take his call. We share the number with each other. Then only we'll connect. We never say, Mera naam le lena wahan par. No. It's wrong way of giving referral. Log नाराज हो जाते यार मेरा नंबर बांट रहे हो आप ऐसे ही बैठे हुए. So learn from the like Arun Mishra, learn from the expert. I learned so many things from Tajurba app is going to create a revolution. आपको कम्युनिटी से लीड मिल रही है. हम लोगों ने लाखों रुपए इंडिया मार्ट को दिए. कचरा लीड आती है. पूरा आदमी दिन भर लगा रहता है फोन करने में. काम की एक लीड मुश्किल से निकलती है. Here you are getting lead directly in your back inbox, flash of the seconds from the members from the community. You know this is a Tajurba member from Delhi or Pune or from Bangalore or from other cities. There is a genuine need. So no boundaries now. This is Corona has opened up boundaries. Zoom has opened up boundaries. And good things comes to those who sweat, those who participate. Here are, I would just play one or two testimonials from members. I don't think there will be sound. You know, these are the very, very credible members of Tajurba. Couple of testimonials.
Hi friends, my name is Sarthak Arora. In terms of business, I've got more than 15 lakh rupees of business, and if I talk about retainers, I get about 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees of retainers every month.
I'm Anil Chawla, proud member of Tajurba Eagle Groups, and in a span of 3 months, I have done more than 2.5 CRO business. And 5 to 6 cases are in pipeline with me to the tune of 10 crore rupees.
My name is Pawan Sachdev and I am director at Ipsita Insurance Services Private Limited. I joined this Tajurba on December, and till date where I have done a business of more than 20 lakhs per month. Today my cumulative business stands more than 1 crore of worth of premium.
Hello everyone, this is Ravi Sethi representing the Hook Sector 29, the rocking place ever. The type of business I generated, I have earned 50x.
My name is Anand. In terms of money,
So many testimonials here, and business development meeting. These one-to-ones we call business development meeting where members meet each other and understand each other's business. So why Tajurba? It's the world's most authentic. अपना इंडियन है, इंडियन तजुर्बा है, only for the leaders. Long term relationships से business generate होता है, regular pipeline of referral, free access to training, leads pipeline through Tajurba app, and meeting structure is fortnightly meeting on Zoom, maximum chapter size 101 members, 2 hours meeting, knowledge session by an expert speaker. Today I am the speaker, but you will find a lot of other knowledge speakers there. Introduction you have all seen, member presentation you have seen, but the first right goes to the बिजनेस टू द मेंबर. अगर मुझे स्टेशनरी की जरूरत है अरुण जैन, मुझे अगर कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग की जरूरत है तो संजय वर्मा, मुझे अगर टेक्नोलॉजी में कुछ ऐप चाहिए या वेबसाइट चाहिए तो अरुण मिश्रा. वी डोंट गो आउटसाइड. फर्स्ट राइट इज मेंबर्स. अगर उसके साथ प्राइस नहीं बन रही है, सर्विस अच्छी नहीं है, देन ओनली वी गो आउटसाइड. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. गुड कनेक्ट, प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क, मस्ट बी अ बिजनेस ओनर एंड एक्सपर्टाइज ऑफ अ फील्ड. दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट. फाइनल अप्रूवल स्टिल बाय द चैप्टर बोर्ड. And this is the leadership structure. Executive director is Chalinder Chaurasia. You have seen this regional director, president, vice president, and some board members. Some more activities: accountability partner program. There's a buddy program, family socials once in a quarter. अभी बंद है, but some members decided कि बहुत दिन हो गए लॉकडाउन में, so they did a Diwali get together. Annual offsite is in also annual CSR activities. We go out and contribute to the society. Evening with the influencer, we invite some influencers and have evening set up with them over dinner or something. All right, so I invite you to join Rise Above the Crowd, and we all dream of becoming a leader one day. This could be your chance to rise above the ordinary. Our vision is to connect 1 crore SMEs, be part of this revolution, be part of us, and contribute from your side. IPO will be 2023. जो नहीं जिनको समझ में आ रहा है, ऐसा ही एक एग्जांपल मैं बहुत देता हूँ. रेनॉल्ड वेन, इसका 10% पार्टनरशिप था एप्पल में, एंड उसको लगा कि ये तो बच्चे हैं, स्टीव जॉब क्या बकवास करते रहते हैं. सोल्ड इज 10% स्टेक फॉर $800, एंड टुडे दैट स्टेक इज ओवर $100 billion. So people who will miss the IPO bus will talk like this. So how much Tajurba membership cost? Uma has already told you. It's nothing. It's only 4,999. But if you decide today, it's 4,500 rupees only. If you decide today, by today evening or right now, if you pay, then tomorrow it will be 5,000 rupees, and you get all my trainings complimentary. These are the trainings people have done. I will show you in one slide. So it's a sales mastery, killer sales closing technique. People have used these techniques and run crores of business. You saw some testimonials. High ticket closer, how to write your book. A lot of my students have written their books. Earn 5 to 10 lakh. If you are interested in doing webinars, I'll teach you that through my program. So this is the offer today, 4,500. Loiji, affiliate program, Uma has already informed you guys that some of the members have introduced 10 members. They have recovered their fee in the very first month. So we believe in sharing, that we believe in generosity. We share with each one of you whatever comes to us. Everybody become part of it. Even before the IPO, you can earn. So here is the link here. Credit card link is there. It's just 4,500 rupees today. Tomorrow is 5,000 rupees. All right. So before that, meeting commitment fee 99 rupees every fortnight, and there are some blank spaces. This can be you. I invite you to join. The stage is ready, and these are the payment method. Lohit has already shared in the chat box, and thank you very much. Now I would like to know from our guests one good thing, and who is interested in joining. All right, so over to all the guests today. I would like to know from the guests, what did you like about today's meeting? Neha, I would like to have
very nice experience, sir. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आप सब लोगों से मिलकर, आप लोगों के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस होकर. I will join soon.
All right, decide today, Neha, be part of it. There is no soon or there is no tomorrow. I don't believe in that. Either yes or no, that's it.
Clarity.
Sir, for today is no, but I will explain my reason.
No
It's
problem.
actually
That's okay.
genuine
That's
reason.
okay. We don't have to know the reason.
I'm actually struggling with my time management.
You will get better at time management. See, I told you I slept at 2 a.m. and I lost my brother yesterday. Still I'm here.
Yes,
You learned
yes,
that. Okay, thank you very much for sharing. Anyone else who would like to share?
Yeah, Karan this side. So that
Yes,
was a wonderful
Karan.
presentation. Thank you so much, and that was quite energetic meeting. And would like to be the part of Tajurba. And see you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Fantastic.
everyone.
Thank you, Karan. Great having you today. Have a fantastic day. Be part of this. Thank you for your decision. You have the credit card link. Who else would like to share? Hemant Malhotra, would you like to share?
Yeah, it was lovely joining early in the morning. I don't know. I don't remember when was I up that early. I wanted to have this meeting in the office itself. And Sureshji, it's lovely listening to you every time around. I guess this is my second meeting, but definitely I'm gonna sign up today. One of my friend did refer this group, but I will definitely join in today.
Thank you
Hemant,
very much.
I also
Welcome
wanted to
everyone.
tell
Big
you-
round of applause for Hemant for making this decision.
One moment, Hemant, you are into FSI licenses, right?
Yeah, FSSI licenses, I'm more into compliances, right?
Okay. Because someone was looking for someone who could help them with the FSSI licenses. That is about 15 days back. If you can, then I can check with them and connect you.
Yeah, please, definitely.
Okay.
All right. Any other guest who would like to share today who is not a member?
Yeah, hi Suresh, this side is Mahendra. So
Yeah,
it was,
Mahendra.
it was a great session, and really I understand now. I
Mahendra,
understand.
अपना वीडियो तो ऑन करो यार. I want to see you.
Okay, now I think you can see.
थोड़ा सा फोकस सेंटर में स्क्रीन में आ जाओ. You are at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, now I can see you.
Now it's okay. Okay, so now I understand today with the meeting what is the power of networking, and definitely thank you Shailendra to introducing this meeting, and definitely today I will join your group.
Platform.
Wonderful. Big round of applause for him for making
Everyone.
the decision.
Give him a big round of applause for making this quick decision.
Yes, because life takes just few moments when you take the right decisions.
Right, as well as the quick decisions.
Yes.
Exactly.
Absolutely. All right. So thank you very much, people. It was great having you today. Have a fantastic day ahead and a great networking week ahead, fortnight and month. Thank you very much, everyone.